Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of you don't have permission to access on the application of Remitly app. You will go to settings, here, this first page of settings. You will find this window and you will click here on apps. Then in this list you will go to above to search about Remitly app. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone or you can go to Play Store and you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.